5 years ago, a vision was born. A vision to nurture minds, inspire hearts, and prepare young leaders for the world. In just 5 years, Elite Global School has become a symbol of excellence, where moral values meet innovation and learning goes beyond classrooms. But this is not the destination. This is just the beginning. Because growth demands space, and dreams demand a bigger horizon. That horizon is named as Knowledge City. Knowledge City is visionized with the core concept to learn, grow, lead, and glow. Keeping high morals as value-added education, to visualize this project, Elite Global School has started to take its shape in the widespread 2.7 acres of world-class ecosystem. Designed for global education, built for future leaders. More space to explore, more opportunities to grow, more freedom to dream bigger than ever before. More than just infrastructure, this is a space where potential turns into performance. Elite Global School, now also at Madhavaram. The next chapter begins now. Happy to announce, admission open for the academic year 2026-27.